What's up guys, this is Tommy. Now today I will show you the WPL's new truck, the C34 Toyota FJ40. Now let's unbox it. The interior stuffs, the wheels and tires, the roof wet and is so big. There's a lot of things. Oh, you can see the chairs. And the body. The servo. The 370 mirror. 370 motor and the gearbox. You can see the gearbox is so small. The metal universal shaft and the metal axles is so heavy. The manual and the stickers. Finally, we got some ways. It can reduce the central gravity. Oh, sorry, I forgot the new chassis. You can see these are different from the former WPL version. Alright guys, you can see the new chassis, but the spring is just as formal WPL, but we have the new gearbox. You can see it can improve the ground clearance, and it has a new function. The front and the rear universal shaft wheel rotate in opposite ways. It can reduce the torque twist and make the truck more stable. And you can also see some brown ball bearings. The WPL's official metal axles. You can see we use universal shafts here, and the steering angle is so big. about 47 degree, and it's so smooth here. The pan hard bar and the pull rods, the 3 pull rods here. The metal axis is a little bit heavier, but it can reduce the central gravity. Now let's look at the rear axles. The 4 pull rods, and you can see there are two plates. First, it can make the axles more stable, and second, it can also, as a weight block, can reduce the CG. The WPL C34's body is so big. Though the chassis is 1/16th scale, but I think the body is maybe 1/12th, or maybe someone said 1/13th scale. Now first, let's look at the WPL's logo. You can receive this a Toyota logo when you receive the car. Let's open the hood. You can see this, even some details about the engine, and this is a battery tree. Now this, you can put your receiver or your ESC here. Now let's try. You can see perfect. So it seems to look like a little bit crowded. There's a lot of funny things. You can see the stickers here. The 2 door can open. You can see the 2 seats. The seats can move forward and back forward. So you can change your driver, and it can have a perfect position. Now let's look at my driver, my skinny body. It is 1/18th scale. It fits 1/16th WPL cars. But I think this is just like a child driver car. Now I have this driver. I think it's perfect for the C34. And the windshield can fold, but you should separate the roof first. As someone may not ask, why the rear door can't open? Because you can do this here. You can just separate the roof. In the rear you can see two seats. Now this is a C34's body. I think is perfect.